So you're launching a small business. Let's say it's a cafe. To get things off to a great start, why not throw a grand opening with special offers and live music? But wait a minute. How will people hear about it? What if no one shows up? To get the word out, you need great marketing. But what if you don't have the time or the budget? Lucky for you, there is PosterMyWall, a place where you can create expert marketing campaigns, graphics, videos, and emails in minutes. Choose from hundreds of templates, customize them, and share your message with your customers before you've even finished your morning coffee. You can create a gorgeous menu, eye-catching promotional signage, or dynamic promo video. Cool, right? You can even run email and social media campaigns, all from PosterMyWall. And why stop there? Give some life to those plain walls with exciting posters. Reaching customers has never been easier. Market your business like a pro and watch it thrive. PosterMyWall. Beautiful designs, effortless promotion.